Good morning, amazing Infinity family. I'm back here with my 10th fortnight message. We are just back after amazing week on. Okay, this week on was extraordinary special actually because it was a 19th anniversary and it was power pack week on. There were so many modules by different people actually. It was complete program was changed actually, right? And I'm sure all those who attended, they can vouch for that this beacon was one of the best beacon actually in last 19 years. Okay, now I'm talking to the team, okay, after this amazing energy, okay, because what happens, this kind of energy only get from something like weekon, right? And what happens whether you attended weekon or you not attended weekon, but somewhere in your downline or upline definitely attended weekon and came back with this kind of energy, right? So you must be having a rub-on effect of this kind of energy. So here I want to talk about something which is very important, which generally happens after such event. You know, people go back with euphoric effect and a lot of energy and a lot of belief and a lot of faith and a lot of big dreams. But what happens if this energy is not converted into action? In few weeks time, this energy goes away actually, right? So my point is, check yourself, check your team, whether people have their own short-term goals in place or not. Using this energy, using this belief to achieve the short-term goal and keeping a target of a next event with larger number of people will take your organization to the next level. But mostly what happened, people have a euphoric effect. They are mesmerized with Chief, and Chief is the brand ambassador for the weekon. But if we really respect Chief, what exactly we are going to do is, we will follow what he said in weekon. On last day of weekon, he told everyone to go back and use this energy to do your F4, right? What I always did in such kind of energy is always coming back and not only, passing on this energy to the team, giving their next goal, but also having my own next goal by doing more and more DRs actually, right? So are you doing, whatever is required, whatever Chief told you to do actually? If you're not doing, that means you're just mesmerized, but you're not respecting the person effort in those 5 days weekon with sleepless nights. He was giving you from heart so many things, but you're listening as a satsang and not coming back and applying. So check your team, check yourself, whether you are utilizing this energy to do your more DRs or not. If no matter how old you are in the business, no matter how new you are in the business, right? For a networker, best way to utilize your own energy is do your new DR, because with that energy, those DRs will take the team to the next level. And obviously all other people who are also carrying that kind of energy, they should also be pushed to do more DRs. Of course, there will be few people who will just have that energy but will not do anything. I'm not telling them to leave them, but don't waste too much of time and your energy with them, because they will drain out your energy. What you need to do is, you need to first start doing your DR. If not in 1 week, take 2 weeks, but do your 4 DRs, and you will see these 4 DRs, because of your belief and energy, will take your organization to the next level actually, right? And next event is coming in December and January, right? So when you start doing it from now, it will multiply by December and January. Okay, so have your targets, have your goals, use this energy and convert this energy into action rather than draining this energy out with people who don't want to do anything, right? Push yourself maximum and respect the man himself, Chief, who actually gave us so many things in last 5 days of weekon, and his mandate was to go back and do 4 DRs actually, right? So are you doing that, right? Do you have those goals? Do you have your next goal for your rank? Are you talking to the organization and pushing them towards action, right? Rather than talking only. So action, action, action. This energy need to get converted into action. Otherwise, it is one more weekon, it is one more event which will go and your energy will drain out and you will be back to the same old routine actually, right? So use this energy to take your organization to the next level. Gain the new momentum actually, right? Have new sapphires in place. Have new people who are doing consistently $1,000 income, right? These are the two things. If you keep doing this, the organization will go to the next level. And not only them, but also push yourself to have more DRs, because networkers only can do networking if they lead by example, right? So leading by example means have your new DR, looking at that your team will do more DRs, they will start earning more, your energy will actually multiply with this action. Because if you don't take action, that energy will slowly, come down and finish. But if you convert this energy into action, this energy will multiply and will give you momentum in the organization, and this momentum will take organization to the next level. No matter what level you are, no matter what is the state of your organization, just think the kind of energy which you're carrying after week on, this need to be converted into action and need to have small short-term goals. Then you have to convert those goals into action and monitor those things, and there should be a lot of buzz. You should keep announcing your goals, you should keep announcing your team goals, and everywhere there should be goal and achievements only, right? And every small achievement need to be celebrated so that this energy need to multiply actually. And every time this energy will multiply, convert that into action and drive more result. And you will see by next event, you will have huge organization in multiplication with what it was today actually, right? So once again, are you converting your energy into action? Are you pushing yourself to do more DRs? Are you ensuring your entire team have a goal, next rank? Okay, how many people will earn $1,000? How many people will become Sapphire? How many people will become Platinum? And detailed plan of action and monitoring along with that, right? And a lot of energy to be given to them. Remind them about Weekon. Remind them that Latika song, which will take them back to that zone of Weekon. And we need to live in that zone till next event so that that zone will keep giving you momentum and will keep giving you more and more result. So check again, don't let this energy go in drain. Don't let this energy go waste. Don't let this Weekon give you a euphoric effect and after that you are back to the normal routine actually, right? It has to take your organization to the next level, and for that you need to buzz with energy. You need to buzz with action. You need to buzz, your organization need to buzz with a lot of goals, and you have to push yourself every time, talk to, always on the phone, always with meeting people, showing plans, doing more DRs, planning for Sapphire, Platinum and everything, right? And you will see that you will, next event, for your team event, right? You will have huge organization and people will come up to the next level. New ISBs will come, new Sapphires will come, new Platinums will come, and your organization and income will go to the next level. So again, check yourself and your organization. Are you goal driven after gaining this energy or just draining out this energy? Are you pushing yourself along with the organization? Your organization have consistent goal for $1,000 number of people and Sapphires and new DRs for yourself. So guys, use this energy, take organization to the next level. This is a golden opportunity. It will not come back again, right? So thank you very much. You will see me on 11th fortnight message. I love you all and we will see you again in next event. Thank you very much. Love you.